Welcome to Linh House, your ultimate destination for home design inspiration. We're passionate about helping you create your dream home. From the grand exterior to the cozy interior, our channel offers a wealth of ideas, tips, and tutorials to guide you through every step of the design process. Whether you're building a new home or renovating an existing one, we've got you covered. Join us as we explore various architectural styles, interior design trends, and practical DIY projects to transform your house into a home you'll love. Interior design analysis. Overall aesthetic. The interior should reflect the serene and secluded nature of the house's location. A minimalist, contemporary aesthetic with a strong connection to nature is essential. The design should emphasize clean lines, open spaces, and a sense of tranquility. Color palette. A neutral palette is ideal to create a calming atmosphere. Shades of white, gray, and black should dominate, with accents of green and blue to reflect the forest environment. Materials. Natural materials should be used extensively to complement the house's location. Wood, stone, and glass are key elements. Concrete can be used for flooring in some areas to add a modern touch. Furniture. Furniture should be modern and functional, with clean lines and simple forms. Leather or fabric upholstery in neutral tones is ideal. Built-in storage solutions can help to maximize space and maintain a clutter-free look. Decor. Decor should be minimal and nature-inspired. Artwork featuring forest scenes or abstract pieces that evoke the natural world would be appropriate. Incorporate indoor plants to bring the outdoors in. Key rooms. Living room. Large windows should offer panoramic views of the swimming pool and forest. Comfortable seating arrangements with a fireplace can create a cozy atmosphere. Kitchen. A modern, open-concept kitchen should seamlessly flow into the living area. Natural materials like wood and stone can be used for countertops and cabinetry. A breakfast bar overlooking the pool would be ideal. Bedrooms. These spaces should be oases of calm. Neutral colors, soft textiles, and ample natural light are essential. Bathroom. A spa-like atmosphere can be created using natural stone, deep soaking tubs, and large showers. Large windows can offer views of the forest or pool. By carefully considering these elements, the interior of the black modern house can become a harmonious extension of its unique setting, creating a truly exceptional living space. Comment below to share your favorite garden. In addition, you can refer to some images and videos about designs on my channel to get more ideas for your garden. Thanks for watching our video. Subscribe to the channel to follow the latest design trend videos. Don't forget to like and share the video if you like it.